All right, great day to be great. Let's start it off. So, Control, click, new folder, or right click for those that are on PC. We're on a Mac right here. We're going to create a simple Minecraft website. So I name it Minecraft, take your folder, drop it in Visual Studio Code. Okay? If you don't have it already, download this live server. I've already downloaded it. Click that, hit install, then you'll be ready to go, and you'll be able to see yourself creating your website. Right here, index.html. And now we are ready to roll. Shortcut to get the global structure of a web page, go ahead and do exclamation point, enter. Boom, you got everything for you. We can do title to be Minecraft Fun. And then always make sure to save. If you notice, there's a white dot right here. If you do Command S to save, so that your work will show up. And if you notice, now on the tab, it says Minecraft Fun. That's what the title is. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. Everything inside the head tags, you don't see on the website. Everything inside the body tags is what you will end up seeing on the website. So we're going to start off with header. And then H1. And you literally can just press H1 and then enter, and then it gives you your open H1 and closed H1. So my title is going to be Welcome to the Minecraft world. Nice. And then, under that, we're going to do some nav tags to create our navigation bar. And we're going to go anchors. Inside of our anchors, we're going to link them to some IDs so that it moves along the page. So just do hashtag character characters, and then in here, characters. Okay. We're going to copy that 3 times. Well, so we have 3. Because we're going to end up creating 3 sections. We'll go buildings, and then adventures. Perfect. We have our close nav, boom, and then we'll create it's called horizon line, an HR. That one does not need a close tag. Remember, every open tag needs a close tag, except for certain ones, like this one. Save. So now let's check it out. Boom, we have our little navigation bar. Now, it's best practice to leave comments inside of your code. So, in HTML, you do this, boom, 2 dots. And then we could say header section. Good. Go ahead and copy this, because now under this horizon, we're going to create another section. Now, if you notice, comments do not show up on your page. It's simply for the coder. Next, we're going to do our next section, characters section. characters section. Okay, we're going to start that one off with section tag. So you can just type section right there, press enter or return, and there's your open and close tag. Press enter to give yourself some space. So now everything inside of this section will go in here. We're going to give it an ID, like an identification. So right here, when we click characters, it will go to this. We want this to be the exact same spelling. Copy, paste. So now it'll be linked. So when we click that on the navigation bar, it would go to this section of your page. That's lowercase this a. Okay. Next, UL stands for unordered list. And then LI, we'll do Minecraft characters. So we got you can just make some up if you want, or follow, or do what I'm doing. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we got our characters. What we'll end up doing, if you notice unordered list, let's look at our website. I need to make sure to save, as you can see, Command S. And now we have our unordered list right there. Boom, 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 boom. Good. When you're making a website, you should always title so that your users, your viewers know what they're looking at. So above this, we should put a title. As you see up here, we used H1. Since it's more of like a subtitle, we want to use something smaller. That would be H2. H2. Then we could say famous characters. And then save. Now we see we got a title, famous characters. Boom. And let's put a picture under the list, and that's where we'll do IMG. And then the source would actually be the picture. For right now, we'll have we'll just do place holder, since we don't have a picture yet. But we'll write alternative text. Minecraft character example. And so when you don't have a picture, this is what will pop up. So there we got blank. Okay. So now, this question mark. When your website, when your picture doesn't pop up, this thing will come, and these words should come too. Okay, boom, boom, and then let's finish that section with a horizon as well. Boom. One section right there. Good. Okay, we're gonna make 2 more sections. So, copy from character section to horizon, copy, paste, and we're gonna do it one more time. Enter, enter, paste. Save. If you look, you'll have famous character, famous character, famous character. We're gonna make these 3 sections different. Keeping the first one. So here we got the first one, character section. Next is gonna be buildings section. Building section. So again, remember we're linking this, buildings, copy, to building section, buildings, paste. Now let's call this one building in Minecraft. And this time, let's switch it up and make it an ordered list. An ordered list will number each of our list items. So building will go chop down a tree for wood. Craft wooden planks. There you go. And then boom. So it's kind of showing the steps of building. Here we don't have an image yet, but here we'll write building example and save. Let's check it out. We got our famous character here, and now we have building in Minecraft. Okay, and let's now do our last section. Change that to adventure. Remember, it's better to just copy it so that you make sure it's the same letters, same spelling. Nope, that's characters. And then adventures. Okay, under this H2, let's go ahead and put a paragraph. Nice. And UL, and that's list things you can explore. Boom. And then these will be example. Okay. Nice. So now we customized all of our sections. Famous characters, building Minecraft, adventures. Okay. And you always want to finish with a footer. So I made a comment, footer, same here, and paragraph. Perfect. Maybe we'll add subscribe. Nice. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. We now have our HTML section complete. But if you notice, that's looking pretty bland. We don't have pictures, we don't have any styles or colors. But that's what HTML is, just the structure of the web page. Now in my next video, we're gonna add some CSS, we're gonna add some images, and we'll add some nice styles to make this website look nice. All right.